Now, let's look at our next topic, which is uneven cash flow. Uneven cash flow is different than annuities. Uneven cash flow is a series of payments as well. However, these payments are not fixed. Now, remember, annuity means all these payments are fixed. Uneven cash flows are a series or a bunch of payments that are not fixed, so they are not equal to each other. Let's look at our example. On the timeline, you can observe the cash flows that you can expect in the next 4 years. At the end of year 1, it will be $100. At the end of year 2, it will be $200. At the end of year 3, it will be $200 again. And then at the end of year 4, it will be $500. So these cash flows are not equal to each other, so they're not fixed. How do we calculate the future value of uneven cash flow? Well, we cannot calculate the uneven cash flow's future value the same as we calculate the future value for annuities because they're not fixed payments. Okay, so first, let's look at the future value of these uneven cash flows by solving them one by one or step by step. The first $100 deposit, how much is the future value after year 4? Okay, so that first $100 deposit will be in the bank account, earns 10% a year annual compound interest rate for 3 years. So the future value will be 100 times 1 plus 10% raised to the power of 3. So that future value will be $133.10. Now, the second deposit will be $200. So that $200 will be earned interest rate of 10% a year for 2 years to the end of year 4. So 200 times 1 plus 10% raised to the power of 2. So that should give us a future value of $242. The third deposit, which is again a $200 deposit, will be earning interest of 10% a year for 1 year. So the future value will be 200 times 1 plus 10%. So that will be $220. The last deposit, $500, it will not earn any interest because it was deposited at the end of year 4. So there's no time for it to earn any interest. Now, all the future values, let's add them up. 133.1 plus 242 plus 200 plus 500. The total is $1,095.10. So this is the future value of this uneven cash flow stream.